20 common English speaking mistakes. Do you make these? How to speak English? Hello everyone and welcome back to English by Vijay KMR. Today we are going to be talking about some common English mistakes. Normally made in spoken English but also sometimes in written English. Okay. So naturally these tend to be made by people who are learning English, but there are quite a few mistakes in here that native speaker also make. So you are not alone. This is a very difficult language. So in this video I am going to take the incorrect sentences and provide provide you with the correction so you can really get them into your head, right? So let's get started with the speaking mistakes. Okay, the first mistake is the misuse of less or favor. Okay, so how to speak English? Okay, so देखिए I mean to explain today in this video I explain a lesson favor. Today in this video I explain lesson favor. Okay, me or I, is or are the another videos, and today that's it. As I explain today class less and favor, me and I, is or are, complete three topics in this session. Okay, so I want to discuss first less or favor. Okay, less or favor. So okay, the first mistake is the misuse of less or favor, and this is a mistake that I myself make. Okay, I hear my mom make it. I hear will make it a lot. I don't know if it original. I think just a mistake. Okay, that native speaker make a lot of time if you manage to use less and favor. Okay, less and favor, less and favor. Okay, if you manage to use less and favor correctly, then you can confidently say that you speak better than a lot of native speaker including me. Okay, so let's take a look at these sentences. It's incorrect. I warn you, don't write it down. Okay, don't write it down, only understand. Okay, so I want to take I want to have a two I mean to say four sentences are given. There are less people than yesterday. Okay, there are four sentences is given. There are less people than yesterday. There are fewer people than yesterday. The baby weighs fewer than 2 pounds at birth. The baby weighs less than 2 pounds at birth. Look at this. Look at this. Which one is correct sentences and which one is wrong sentences? I explain that. Why is this? Why is this? Why is this? That means when we use less. When we use less. Okay. When we use less with uncountable noun. Uncountable noun, that means and favor with countable noun and favor with countable noun, and people it's countable noun and people with countable noun. Okay, if you find it confusing, you can think of it this way. Less is used with singular or uncountable noun, and favor is used with the plural noun, plural countable noun. That means, okay, So which one is correct? So which one is this correct? Okay, the first sentence is and there are fewer people than yesterday. Okay, this one is correct sentences because people is countable noun. So correct sentence is there are fewer people than yesterday. Okay, the another two statements are given. The which one, find out the which one is correct. The baby weighs fewer than 2 pounds at birth and the baby weighs less than 2 pounds at birth. Okay, so which one is correct? These sentences, which one is correct? The first statement is correct. How? The first statement is correct, but how? How? Why is correct? Why is correct? Okay, I explain you. Don't write it, only understand. Don't write it, only understand. Okay, right. Let's move on 2, 3 or 4, our next two mistakes. Okay, so pounds क्या? Okay, देखिए pounds pounds as a plural. Pounds plural countable noun. Plural countable noun. Plural countable noun. Plural countable noun. So correct statement, the baby weighs fewer. So correct sentence is fewer. Wrong sentence is less, not less, because pounds is countable. Pounds is countable noun. Okay, understand? Okay, another is right. Move to right. Move on 2, 3 and more, our next two mistakes. We are going to be looking me and I. Okay, me and I. Me and I. Okay, I explain brief. Me and I. Okay, once again, this is a mistake that I have made many times in the past, and every now and again I do make these mistakes, and my bro and my brother always correct me. Who is correct? Okay, understand? The issue is not many native speakers are taught to be very for me. Okay, not me. In particular, the two words me, we are always told it shouldn't be. Okay, and him and me, it should be him and I, but this is not always correct. It depend on the placement. Okay, depend on the placement. Have a look at these two sentences. Okay, I write two sentences. They give it to him and I, and they give it to him and me. Okay, which one is correct? Which one is correct? Look at me. So, okay, so they gave it to him and I. This is correct. It should be this is correct. This is correct. Okay, it should be. It should be this is correct. Why this is correct? Not. Okay, him and I not is correct. Okay, first statement is incorrect. Why is incorrect? This is incorrect. It should be. Okay, so another statement is they give it to him and me. Okay, this statement is correct. Why is correct? Okay, now there is a quite a simple trick. There are quite a simple trick. Look at. Okay, understand. Okay, understand. And now there is quite a simple trick for checking if it should be him and I or him and me. Remove him and. Remove him and. Okay, remove. This statement is remove him and. Okay, him and. Him and remove. Him and remove. Okay, so see if it is fit. So if it fits. Okay, they give it to I doesn't fit. Okay, to doesn't fit. Okay, to is doesn't fit. Why is doesn't fit? Okay, they gave it to me. To me is does fit. To me is does fit. To me is does fit. Why is does fit? So I explain you. We were going to be focusing on subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement, this is the grammatical topic in the fundamental English. The best topic is subject verb agreement, the root of grammar. The root of grammar, subject verb agreement. This is one of the first thing you learn in English, but it is hard. It can get quite complicated, and we often make a mistake. I often hear sentences like this. Okay, move it. Subject verb agreement. Okay, understand subject verb agreement. Okay, so there are the four sentences. Okay, I can explain you, so understand which one is correct. Do you understand which one is correct? Okay, I explain you. So first statement is, one of you are going to get hurt. One of you are going to hurt. Yeah, I am trying to saying one of you are gonna get hurt. Okay, so this is not correct. This is not correct. Okay, this is not correct. So which one is correct? Which one is correct? One of you is going to get hurt. One of you going to get hurt. One of you going to get hurt. So okay. So this statement is correct. This statement is correct. Why is correct? Why is correct? And so my ear, and to my ear, it doesn't actually sound too bad. Actually sound too bad, but it is technically grammatically incorrect. Grammatically incorrect. Why is grammatically incorrect? I explain. One of you is going to get hurt. One is going to be get hurt. It should be correct. It should be correct. Why is correct? Because there is a agreeing with one of you. Agreeing with one of you. Okay. Agree with one of you. Agree with one of you. One of this group of you. I am trying to saying you one is have a look at me. This next one, which one do you think is correct? Okay, which one do you think is correct? Okay, understand. The another statement is, neither car are very fast. Neither car are very fast. The another statement is, neither car is very fast. Okay, so try to understand is which one is the correct statement. So I am trying to I look at me. So this statement is correct. Neither car is very fast. So why is correct? It should be is. Neither means not this one or not this one. Okay, try to understand. Try to understand. I am try to understand who are I am saying. So it should be is, neither means not this one or not this one. Neither is singular. Okay, neither is singular. Okay, neither is singular. Neither is singular. Okay, so I want to discuss. Okay, so neither is discuss. So neither is singular verb. Okay, so this is a explanation of this two words. Okay, I claim. Okay, so the upcoming classes I am discuss. The upcoming classes I am discuss beside or besides, subject repetition, nobody, anybody, would have or would have. The another is been or been to. The upcoming videos I am discuss this beside or beside, subject repetition, nobody, anybody, would have, been is more than. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I hope do you understand less or fewer, me or I. The another is or are. The upcoming classes I am discuss N or A. Okay, understand? Okay, bye, take care.